Something unexpected happened when an old man found himself watching over a motorcycle left with its keys, and the owner was nowhere to be found. Suddenly, a man with a disheveled appearance approached, claiming that the motorcycle belonged to him. At first, the old man was skeptical, but after the man showed documents proving ownership, the old man believed him. However, the surprising part came when the elderly man tried to return the motorcycle keys to its owner. The man, instead of taking them back, gave the keys and ownership documents to the old man as a gift for being a good and honest person. A simple act of kindness can mean a lot to someone else, just like when you subscribe and like this video.